Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus ZenGo. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Guarda Wallet and ZenGo, focusing on their features, usability, and security to help you decide which wallet aligns with your needs. Guarda Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-platform wallet that caters to users seeking full control over their cryptocurrencies. It supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens, offering exceptional versatility. Available on mobile, desktop, web, and as a browser extension, Guarda provides flexibility for users to access their funds on various devices. Key features include a built-in exchange, staking support for multiple assets, and integration with hardware wallets for added security. Guarda prioritizes decentralization, allowing users to retain full control over their private keys. It's suitable for both beginners, thanks to its intuitive interface, and advanced users who value features like token creation and extensive portfolio management. ZenGo, by contrast, is a user-friendly custodial wallet that employs innovative keyless security. Instead of private keys, it uses threshold signature schemes, TSS, which split cryptographic secrets between the user's device and ZenGo's servers. This eliminates the risk of losing funds due to private key mismanagement. ZenGo supports a smaller range of cryptocurrencies compared to Guarda, but focuses on simplicity, making it perfect for beginners and users concerned about private key security. ZenGo also includes a built-in exchange, savings options through interest-earning products, and easy recovery using biometric authentication. However, its reliance on server-side security may raise concerns among users who prioritize decentralization and complete control. In conclusion, Guarda Wallet is ideal for those seeking a non-custodial, feature-rich wallet with extensive asset support and full control of private keys. It's perfect for seasoned crypto users managing diverse portfolios. On the other hand, ZenGo is better suited for newcomers to crypto or those prioritizing convenience and an innovative top keyless security system. While Guarda leans towards decentralization, ZenGo focuses on ease of use. The choice ultimately depends on whether you value complete control or prefer a simplified, stress-free crypto experience. Check the links in the description to explore these wallets further.